Hello students. Today we will discuss the topic fingertip test technique. So this is a test technique which is used to check surface finish or surface texture. So the surface finish may be measured in two ways. The first one is the contact method and the other one is the non-contact method. So this fingertip test technique comes under the contact method. So this fingertip technique is also called as touch inspection. So this technique can be used when the surface roughness is very high. So what is actually done in this technique? So in this technique or in this method, the fingertip is moved along the surface whose roughness we are measuring at a speed of 25 millimeter per second. So from this technique, irregularities up to 0.0125 mm can be detected. So a modification of this technique is possible by using a table tennis ball which is rubbed over the surface and the vibrations from the ball is transmitted to the hand and the surface roughness can be judged. So here we are going to use a table tennis ball which has to be rubbed along the surface and the vibrations of this ball are connected and they are transmitted to a hand, and this way we can check the surface roughness. So the main limitation of this method is that the degree of surface roughness cannot be accessed. So here we cannot measure the degree of the roughness. We can only see whether the surface is rough or not, but we cannot measure the degree up to which it is rough. By this technique, we cannot detect the minute flaws. It can be used only to check whether which surface is more rough. So this is all about the fingertip test technique.